Everybody, welcome back to Tech and Prep. An interesting video from, well, I'll play it in the background here, but information from NVIDIA. We all know who NVIDIA is. They are moving forward with what they call liquid-cooled AI factories. So AI is getting so big and so power hungry, people, are up in arms about all the data centers and wasting all the water, which some of them do. Some of them don't have closed-loop systems. Some of them do waste a bunch of water for standard cooling. I've worked in data centers for almost 30 years. I've seen hundreds, if not thousands, of data centers, and some of them do this. But what they're looking at doing is, if you can see in the video here, I'll try and let it loop, is they're looking at using liquid cooled. Liquid cooling is basically you attach these devices to the CPUs or the GPUs, whatever it may be, and you circulate the cooling liquid, which is something I can think of like an antifreeze in a car, essentially. And then you cool that down, and then that way you're not constantly using water over and over and over. So instead of blasting servers with fans, liquid cooling moves heat away using cold plates, coolant loops, and heat exchangers. It's the same thing as your car radiator, right? But it's obviously scaled up for data centers. And they're trying to do this so they can actually make denser data centers. They can put more in there and get more cooling and probably stop hearing about all the complaining from the people about the data centers. As it grows, liquid cooling isn't just performance, it's becoming a requirement. Yeah, and even Microsoft and I guess some folks in China are trying to do it where they actually plunges into the water and they put data centers underwater, but then it raises the water temperature around there and negatively impacts the environment around them too. So looks like NVIDIA is looking at a roadmap where liquid cooled racks are standard. I've seen them; they're pretty interesting. Some people even put their computers in oil. Look it up; it's kind of interesting. But yeah, they're going to have to evolve. They're going to have to get on board with something else and stop using up all our damn water. So we'll keep this in our purview, and I'll update if anything interesting comes out. Thanks. We'll talk to the next video. Like and subscribe.